Good morning, traders. This is what I'm looking at today. It's non-farm payroll day. I'm just going to run through a trade I'm in at the moment. I bought the dollar yen earlier in the week with this slight pullback that we got, and I just entered. Technically, there was a very good reason to enter for me on my technical system, where I entered here and with my stop just below those recent lows, and I'm currently up nearly 3.5 times what I've risked on the dollar yen. But I'm holding the position, and the reason I'm holding the position is because it's non-farm payrolls, and the expectations is for a really good jobs report, and that expectation has been fueled on Wednesday by the ADP jobs report, and I'm looking at a couple of things very carefully. I'm first of all looking at Donald Trump's Twitter account to see if he leaks early any good news about the non-farms payroll, and that could be an opportunity to get a quick early buy-in of the jobs report. And if the report is really good, then it will almost certainly be bullish for the dollar. So if it's exceeding expectations, which quite a few people are thinking it will, then we're sort of heading out into this open space area ahead. Now, next week, I think it's Tuesday, is the hike the FOMC rate meeting, and there is talk about the US central bank raising interest rates, and of course that's bullish for the dollar. Certainly, the expectation of it. So, I'm feeling quite pleased with the position and also with the sentiment of the market going into that meeting. And what my plan is to do, if I can keep enough patience, is to wait until that rate hike meeting, and that's obviously assuming we get a good jobs report. So I'm going to be moving my stops to break even, so that if it is a very disappointing result with a huge spike down, I don't lose the money I've put on the table. And I'm also in Aussie US dollar. I took a 4-hour position last week, so it's relatively short, and I've taken profit on 2/3 of the position. But there's one last remaining part of the position that I'm holding in. So when that, let's see if I can just find it. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, this is her. I took a position on the 4-hour chart, and I took one position here, just going through there. I took another position off the table around here, and I'm holding this final position just to see if we get a spike downwards. And I'm also long US dollar, Canadian dollar. I got a bit late to that party, and that was with the oil dropping so quickly. I thought, there's a good reason to go long here. So I took one position off the table. I've got the other two positions at a break even. I'm feeling quite high up here. So I brought those two stops to break even, and okay, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. At least I've taken a little bit off the table. But here's my positions here. So these are the positions that I've got. So my dollar yen positions are in very healthy profit, 170 points. My dollar CAD just sort of hovering around break even, and as I said, I need to bring that to break even. I haven't brought that. I left it over. I opened it up overnight to try to give it a bit of space overnight, but I'll be bringing that up to break even pretty soon. Certainly, we expect a little bit of dollar buying in anticipation of the meeting, and then bring it up to break even up ahead. And that's that Aussie US dollar position I said that I've got, and I've got that at break even. Just slightly above, a little bit of profit if that comes back. But I'm looking to see how low that'll go. Okay, that's my plan, traders. That's what I'm looking at today, non-farm payroll. So it's just a managing existing trades day, and I'm not anticipating to make any trades at least till after non-farm payroll, and then may trade out of the non-farm payroll on the dollar yen chart, which is probably one of the most sensitive charts to the at least the initial reaction of the payroll number. Okay, guys, have a good day. Bye.